Hey everyone, if you're using Syncthing to synchronize files across multiple devices, learning how to manage your folders effectively is essential. In this video, I'll show you how to manage Syncthing folders from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Syncthing is running and open the Syncthing web interface. The dashboard displays all folders currently being synchronized, along with their status, connected devices, and synchronization activity. Another useful feature is file versioning. Enabling versioning can help protect against accidental deletions or unwanted modifications by preserving older file versions. You can also configure folder-specific scan intervals. More frequent scanning helps detect changes faster, while less frequent scanning may reduce system resource usage. And that's how to manage Syncthing folders in 2026. With proper organization, sharing controls, versioning, and monitoring, you can keep your synchronized data secure, efficient, and easy to manage across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.